Tunila in syllogism part 1 anaviaw hitin. Tunila a isim diwa thupi pian cha hi le restatement chilaya hi. Restatement is completely wrong. Therefore, in case of restatement, conclusion will not follow. Chihi application chilaya hin bol deu hin chele statement. Statement na hi ipi sayam tila all books are pen ati hin. All books are pen chi ipi tizi idham tiale all books ati phale all books ko all books are pen. Hitiaizi idehin abanle abana ko all pens are copy ti pen ko chi pen hin chi pen ko bon chkeya hitiaw circle bolding chi pen chu copy hichi Venn diagram akitiin tua hi chihi a statement hin abanle chihi conclusion hin chi statement hi conclusion akona adi lo proof in bol deu hi all books are copy book zo si khu copy a hi yes abana all pens are copy all pens are copy di chai wanga akoi sana all pens are copy hichi restatement hin kibang chet all pens are copy all pens are copy restatement hi phatle answer la di jongle chlai di lo wrong abanle some books are pen some books are pen yes